Meet William. Today's been a challenging day for William. He's just spent all day studying for a test that consists of the two things he fears the most: English class and spelling. Tomorrow's the day of his big spelling final, and Will does not feel confident at all. William is mentally exhausted, so he decides to take a quick power nap and let his brain recover from the tough workout. William immediately starts to dream about his much dreaded spelling test. In the dream, he finds himself standing in front of his class. All eyes are on him. His teacher has asked him to spell the word euphoria, and Will has no clue how to spell it. Matter of fact, he's not even sure that's a word. His heart starts racing. His palms start sweating. His knees feel weak. His arms feel heavy. He's nervous, and on the inside, he does not feel calm or steady. He feels embarrassed, and he hasn't even said one letter. He hopes for a miracle, an asteroid, something. And something begins to happen. Desks start shaking back and forth. Suddenly, the walls start cracking, and the whole room starts collapsing. Everything comes crashing down. And then, moments away from being crushed by a giant boulder, Will wakes up, and there's his dad, hand on his foot, shaking him back and forth. His heart, still racing from the experience he just had in his dream, Will turns and tells his dad, "I'm gonna fail. I don't know how to spell words like euphoria. I'm just not smart enough." His dad, looking at him, simply smiles and says one word: "Yeah." William, confused by what his dad is trying to tell him, wonders if he's in another dream, and the ceiling was moments away from collapsing. Then, his dad continues, "You can't spell words like euphoria yet. We all start by not knowing, but those that remember the power of yet don't stay that way. It's called the power of yet because putting yet after any phrase immediately changes your statement from negative to positive." "How is not knowing how to spell euphoria a positive thing, Dad? It's like you're not even listening." "Will, you don't know how to spell a word like euphoria yet. But if you give yourself enough time to learn, you can. Hence, yet. Adding yet at the end is you telling yourself, I can't right now, but in the future, I will. It works for everything, really. I'm not a fast runner, yet. I'm not a good cook, yet. I can't write a 5-page essay, yet. I can't change my car's oil, yet. I don't know how to solve for X, yet. I don't know how to change a baby's diaper, yet. I'm just not smart enough, yet. But in the future, I will be. Get it? It's positivity at its finest, if you ask me. If you believe in the power of yet, then take a deep breath and listen to what it's really telling you to do. Stay hungry. Be resilient. Keep going. You have yet to get there. That was a good break. Now it's time to get back at it. Be sure to spend more time on the words you don't know yet. That way, tomorrow, you will. Yes, Dad. All right. I'll be in the kitchen if you need me. Hey Siri, how do you spell the word euphoria?